Hello, today we are going to discuss an important concept of electrostatics, that is electrical capacitance. To understand this concept, capacitance, first we have to recall some results earlier we have discussed in electrostatics. First is the electric field inside a conductor having some charge is always zero. This is the electric field inside a conductor is electric field inside a conductor is zero. This is the first property we have learned. And also on the surface of this having Q charge and R radius, the electric field on surface comes out to be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, because every point is at a distance capital R from the center of this sphere. For sphere, we think that as though the total charge is concentrated at the center, so the distance is R, Q is here, so the electric field on its surface will be this much value. So now the surface area of this sphere, is 4 pi R square. So if we calculate it, then it comes out to be 1 upon epsilon, and let us take 4 pi here with R square, 4 pi R square. Now this is charge upon surface area, and it is nothing but the surface charge density. Q upon 4 pi capital R square is surface charge density. Surface charge density. Again, let us take another conductor. We have learnt one more conductor, that is an infinite sheet having charge density sigma. So if it is having plus charge, electric field is away from this sheet, and its value comes out to be sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. This is the value. So let us take two sheets here. Instead of one sheet, we take two sheets having charge densities plus sigma and minus sigma. For this plus sigma, the plate sheet with charge with sigma, the electric field will be outward and having the value same. Electric field will be here. Due to this, the electric field will be inward. Let us call E dash. But the value will be same. Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. but direction will be different. For plate 1, the electric field will be outward. For plate 2, the electric field is inward because it is having negative charges, and this is having positive charges, but the charge density is same, having same magnitude. So the value will be same, only of direction. So here the electric field is again E along this direction. Due to this, the electric field will be along this direction, E. Here will be, this is E dash, this is E dash. So here are two fields, equal and opposite. E is equal to E dash in magnitude, but the direction is opposite. Here also the fields are equal and opposite, equal in magnitude, opposite, but here the fields are in the same direction. So here the net field will become 0. Here the net field will become 0 because they are equal and opposite. But here in between the two plates, the field between plates will be E plus E dash. Now the values are equal and they will be added. So sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, this comes out to be sigma upon epsilon naught. So the electric field for a charge conductor for two sheets having charge densities sigma and minus sigma kept in vicinity, the electric field will be, net electric field will be having this value, E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, and it will point from positive charge to negative charge, and outside the sheet the field will be 0.